So NicPro sent me these and I'm so excited. They are mechanical pencils at 1.3 millimeter. So here we're going to see everything that's in it and then how we would use it. So it comes in a carrying case to hold all of the lead. Let's see. Holds together pretty well. You kind of squeeze in right here to get it open, and then it pops open. Okay, so we have a little guide right here. Probably shows you how to replace it. Let's see if we can just figure it out. So we have a soft white eraser. I like these ones because they actually work. And then we have some red and yellow lead, as well as some regular lead. My husband really likes the red one because we work a lot with walnut. This is a piece of dark walnut down here, and it just works really well with it. It actually has an eraser. This one is really cool. Let's see if it's preloaded. Yep, there is some. Let's see, right here. You can see it right there. Okay, so let's see how we replace. There's no lead in there. I bet it works just like a regular mechanical pencil. So I just pushed the eraser down and held it to pull out that lead. And now let's load it up with some red for him because I know that's what he's going to use first and foremost. Because like I said, he mostly uses the dark walnut. It's a little lighter over here, but it's generally darker and the red just pops. You'll see in a minute. So I'm gonna push the back of it again. And while I'm pushing, I'm gonna shove this in here and that should, yep, that should work. Oop, I knocked it out. That's okay. We got some in there. Okay, so I'll pop it a couple times and then right on there again. And then I got this little, what's this called? A square. So let's make a line. Times just to be sure. You can see that red line pretty well there. This is actually a lighter walnut, so you can see the lead color pretty well too. Let's check the yellow. I love that this pen also has a clip on it, so you can clip it onto your pants because he likes to set it down everywhere. He uses these often. I bet you're supposed to put it in the back. Okay, so here's the yellow, and we'll do another line a little bit further over. And there's the yellow, kind of like a colored pencil. And then here you can see the lead. The lead actually showed up really well in here. This is a solid mechanical pencil. My husband likes it because it is like the lead is thicker on these ones. But it's not like a typical plastic. Like this is a nice, thick, sturdy mechanical pencil. The other ones, like just buying one from a store, they'll like crack back here and then all the lead comes out. And then in this tube, it looks like you have a whole bunch of extra eraser bags. And let's see how, if we got this to come apart. Okay, so this whole thing will come out and replace. And it looks like that is where you are supposed to put the lead, right in that hole. And I like that it comes with that white eraser too, because those things work really, really well. This is a solid mechanical pencil. NicPro had sent me, here's his other one, this one a while ago, and he uses it every single day. But this is the 2.8 millimeter. And this one is the 1.3 millimeter, so there is a big thickness difference there. Look at that. You see that? Yeah, these are amazing. He's going to be really excited to use this one for the smaller projects, but these things are amazing, and I love that this one comes with an eraser and his old one didn't. But yeah, this amazing pen. He's going to be really excited about this one. There it is.